everybody, Fred here with redlineautosports.com. This is our 84 Chevy short wide Silverado. It is absolutely gorgeous. Burgundy truck, factory build sheet, 350, automatic overdrive. Got the stock grill, 18-inch 5-spoke Cragars. Gorgeous rubbed and buff paint. Beautiful bedside, very solid, never been rusted. Beautiful truck. Excellent inside and out, and I do mean excellent. Tilt, cruise, windows and locks, deleted door straps, original door panels that have been restored, original window sticker, original door jamb sticker. Seat covers newer, new dash pad, new headliner, original door panels that have been restored. Look great. Nice looking stereo. Lights, backup lights, sport mirrors, all that stuff works. Great running engine. Rebuilt 5.7. Was originally a 305 truck, as all 84s were, but this one now has 5.7 350 in it. Beautiful detail all the way around. Which runs excellent. Ice cold AC. Red spark plug wires. All the groovy gravy. It's got a really nice grill that's painted keyed to match the truck. Never seen this before. Really cool small bow tie. Very, very nice custom look. Really nice bumpers. Got the really cool Suburban bumper in the back. These 18-inch Cragars really look great. Front power disc brakes. Again, the low line mirrors. Painted inside the bed. It looks beautiful. Very, very nice door panels. Very, very nice dash, seat, headliner, all that stuff. Original build sheet is in the truck. And I mean, the paint is amazing. How beautiful it shines. Check that out. Very, very nice. What I would call a cinnamon color. It's burgundy. It's a blood red and gorgeous. I miss getting one of the polish rags out of the back. We've been fighting this yellow pollen here. Everything is coated in it. All right. Y'all check us out at redlinemusclecars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. 21180 US Highway 70, Wilson, Oklahoma. Come to the country and save you some money. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day.